Hey there, DoorDash drivers. Are you wondering how to fix your DoorDash acceptance rate and secure more consistent earnings? Well, you're in the right place. This guide will dive deep into effective strategies and tips on how to fix your DoorDash acceptance rate, helping you make the most out of your delivery gigs. Step 1. Evaluate and understand your current acceptance rate. Before you start improving your acceptance rate, it's crucial to understand your current position. Log into the DoorDash app and navigate to your Dasher stats. Here you'll see your acceptance rate as displayed as a percentage. This rate represents the orders you've accepted compared to the total orders offered. A higher acceptance rate might lead to more opportunities, so it's important to keep track and aim for improvement if necessary. Step 2. Analyze declined orders. To fix your DoorDash acceptance rate, take a look at the orders you typically decline. Are there patterns or specific reasons these orders weren't appealing? Common reasons for declining include low pay, long distances, or unfavorable customer ratings. By identifying patterns in declined orders, you can address issues and become more open to accepting those that balance your priorities, ultimately boosting your acceptance rate. Step 3. Strategically choose your zones and timing. Knowing where and when to dash is key in improving your acceptance rate. Select delivery zones that are densely populated with restaurants to maximize your potential orders. Also, consider peak times when order volume is high, such as lunch and dinner hours. During these periods, you're more likely to receive more frequent requests, which will help you accept additional orders, thereby positively impacting your acceptance rate. Step 4. Optimize your route planning. Efficient route planning can significantly aid in your ability to accept more orders. Familiarize yourself with the area you operate in. Know the shortcuts, traffic patterns, and parking spots. The faster and more efficiently you complete each delivery, the more orders you can potentially take on, which will certainly help in how to fix your DoorDash acceptance. Step 5. Keep an eye on app performance and update. Ensure your DoorDash app is always up to date. Sometimes technical glitches can affect your ability to accept orders, thereby impacting your acceptance rate. Regular updates can also include new features or improvements that can enhance your experience and efficiency as a dasher. Step 6. Communication and customer service. Finally, never underestimate the power of good communication and customer service. Being reliable and providing excellent service encourages repeat customers and positive reviews. This may not directly influence your acceptance rate, but it can lead to more frequent and higher paying order offers. Improving your DoorDash acceptance rate is about blending smart strategy with good service and maintaining. By understanding your current rate, carefully analyzing declined orders, choosing optimal zones and times, optimizing your delivery routes, and maintaining app performance, you can significantly enhance your rate. As a result, you'll not only have a higher acceptance rate, potentially better earnings, and a more satisfying DoorDash experience. Happy dashing.